start with the outside, and then we're gonna go in. It won't take long because it's really small, so hold on, baby. Solar panel ready. Yes, we're gonna go inside. This, of course, comes out, but I can't because it's too close to the house. So let's go inside. Here we go. Open the windows. It's hot. There's the bed. Under the bed, you left it. There's some storage. I'm not gonna do that. Storage up here. Window. What? It has a Bluetooth connection. Yes, with speakers on the inside. AC, I believe that's the other speaker. I can't see that. I don't have my glasses on. Table, of course, that folds up. No, that folds down and it turns into a bed. More storage, a little fridge, counter space. Tiny cute. So was not supposed to come with a microwave, but guess what? Came with a microwave. More cabinets, toilet, mirror, more cabinet space, sink, more cabinets, shower. It's actually pretty roomy in here. Look. And that's it. Super cute. I love it, I love it, I love it. Here I'm sweating like crazy. It's hot in here. It does has this little connection, little turn on thingies for the lights, heater, pump, AC. Like I said, is up there, but I don't have it connected, so yeah. It's hot. I gotta close everything and get out of here. She's not gonna want to get out. You wanna get out? You wanna go bye-bye? This is not a playhouse. It's hot in here.